Okay, very unhappy news is coming that there are cloud burst. I believe Dharali. Dharali is the village in Uttarkasi district of the Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a state in India and it carved out from Uttar Pradesh. I believe in 2001 era time period. The name of the state was Uttaranchal earlier and then it became renamed to Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand and there used to be two districts in Uttarakhand earlier. Okay, what are the two districts? Okay, I forgot the name of the two districts. There used to be only two districts in Uttarakhand, but I believe there are more than I believe Garhwal and there is one more district. Garhwal is a district in Uttarakhand. Garhwal and Kumaon, I think so. Kumaon district and Garhwal district. There used to be old district in Uttarakhand. Only two districts. Garhwal is, I believe, it is eastern side and Kumaon is in western side. I'm not sure about it, but this is how it is. Uttar Kasi, I don't know it belongs to which district, but Uttar Kasi it is at high altitude. Uttar Kasi district goes till 7,000 meter also. Uttar Kasi district. And there is a cloud burst incident has happened and very badly it ruined a village called Dharali or something like that. Dharali, I'll read it through and four people have been killed and 50 people are displaced. There are videos that is coming and it is more than threatening. For God's sake, it should not happen to anyone's life. I mean, so many people are getting displaced and it completely ruined one particular village or town itself completely. Means the tall building they were falling like a something like a matchstick. Keep an empty matchstick and then throw a water. The way it will fall, the tall buildings were falling like that. Amazingly, or you take a pack of playing card, the card, the playing card, just make it stand and then air comes and blow it away. It was falling like that. Means this is the then I was seeing what's going on. Then I saw it is cloud burst. Cloud burst. Then I was checking what is cloud burst. Okay, I thought that cloud fell on the ground. Then I was thinking cloud is air, how it will fall in the ground. Then I searched, then I heard that, then I saw that cloud burst means the cloud rains. Cloud rains slowly. Cloud will rain in very less time period, full cloud will rain. So it will not burst. The way name is cloud burst means full water, like if I have a bucket of water, if I have a bucket and then I drop, then I spill over the water. Okay, I take out the water, then water will fill from the bucket. So water fall like that. That is not true. It will be rain only. It is a heavy, very heavy to heaviest rain will happen. Cloud burst means cloud did not. Okay. I was thinking that if it is a cloud, then cloud broke. Cloud broke and all water it fell like a I dropped water from that a bucket and water fell like this on head of the people and people died. Okay, but that is not the case. Cloud burst means if there is a cloud, then cloud rains, right? Rain will be very high speed rain. Rain will happen very high speed, extremely high speed rain will happen. Extremely. I believe it will be around more than 20 times more powerful than normal rain. It will be that much powerful. It will. So if it rains, then in very quick manner. If it rains slowly, then water will flow through the river. If there is a mountain like this, and water is if there is a rain, then slowly rain will go through the river and it will flow. But tons of water falls in one go only, in very less duration. There will be a bulk of water that has to pass through the river immediately. Then it will make a flood tons of water. Now it has to find the space through river only that is very narrow. Then it will flood it. Okay, how cloud burst happen? Cloud burst happen through vertical clouds. Vertical cloud means normally clouds are like this. Normally clouds are like this. That is the flat. Clouds are flat. If this is the ground, if this is the ground, okay, if this is the earth, Earth, flat Earth, then cloud will be exactly above the Earth and it will be flat again. And then there will be a rain. But this cloud burst situation, the cloud will be vertical this way. Okay, means it will be okay. If this is the cloud, cloud will be thick. It's not that it will be flat like this. Cloud will be thick. Okay, this is the better example, I believe. Cloud will be thick. Cloud will be thick and it will rain. But in case of uh, uh, cloud burst, cloud will be like this, vertical. It will be little more thicker, but it will be vertical, and then it will rain. Okay, that fashion. Now, miss, there is problem there. Miss, cloud is in not in normal shape, and then it. So now I was trying to see what is the reason of the cloud burst. Then I learned that the glaciers are melting now in Uttarakhand. Okay, when glaciers are melting, the speed of melting is very high because of the weather change or global warming or whatsoever. So when the cloud is touching the glacier and rate of the melting in the glacier is high, cloud starts precipitation. Cloud is air. It has the moisture of the water that is also air. That water moisture it has to precipitate in water. Otherwise, it is a air. If I boil a water, then there will be air. Okay, that is called moisture. Okay, or moist vapor. And a vapor has to precipitate. I have to pass this vapor through cold temperature. If I then the temperature of the vapor will come down below 100 degrees, and then whatever it, if it is passes through, then it may not be 100 degree whatsoever, but it has become air now. Now, if I pass it through some like ice cold pipe, then it will start precipitating. It will become solid and it will become water. So, because of the high change in the way glaciers are melting, the precipitation that is happening in the cloud, it is making a big water drops. Not it should be small. Precipitation should happen slowly. If there is a tons of vapor, then it should precipitate to water in a very slow manner. If it precipitates in a slow manner, then slowly water will get converted and it will fall. Okay, converted fall. That conversion should happen in delay time frame, slowly. But it is because of the glacier, they are converting into water droplet very quickly. In that quickly, that in one hour only 100 millimeter of rain happens. That is very high. What is 100 millimeter of rain? That is 10 centimeter. If it rain falls, then people they measure through, they use of equipment and how much rain is filling that equipment. Some kind of cylinder. If you place a cylinder of some width or something and see what is, make sure that water will not drop out from the outside. Only rainwater will enter into the cylinder. And then see what is the height of the water. Then this much rain happened. 10 centimeter is very big amount. I believe this much. This much. This much rain happens in 1 hour. That is called 100 millimeter rain, 10 centimeter rain. If it comes to that level, then it is considered as cloud burst. Means it happened very fast. What is the rain generally we see? I was checking Bihar where it rains very too much. So Bihar I was checking it is 1100 means 1.1 meter rain it rains in 1 year. Then I was taking Jharkhand. There it rains 1.5 meter per year. The rain happens 1.5 meter per year. Means means in 1 year, in 12 months, 365 days into 24 hours. 365 days into 24 hours. If I say then per hour, just check that how many millimeters. 65 into 24. If I take, don't take 60 for 365 days also. If I take only 100 days where it rains very good. So 100 into 240. I believe it will come as more than 2000. 100 into 24. It will come as 2500. I believe so. 2500 hours. If it rains, then it rains half of it millimeter. Means in 1 hour, half millimeter rain happen. I believe, I think in 1 hour, half millimeter, 1 millimeter rain happens in 1 hour. As per the 2000 hour, 100 days into 24. If I take 12 hours also it rains in high, then 100 into 12. It will come as around 1200. 1200 hour is 1200 millimeter. Means in 1 hour 1 millimeter rains. But in cloud burst in 1 hour 100 millimeter rains. 100 times. Means cloud get emptied 100 times fast. Okay, means bulk of water will be on ground immediately, then it will go like a flood anywhere. That is cloud burst. What is the reason of the cloud burst and when it happened? I have a data. Okay, that I will read it through. Okay, if I see the cloud burst, then rain happened in 30 square kilometer. 30 square kilometer, more or less 6 kilometer by 5 kilometer area only. Okay, cloud will be vertical, means cloud will rain in very small region only. If cloud is flat, then it will rain in many kilometers. If it is vertical, then it will rain in the less region only, and that is 30 square kilometer. 100 millimeter per hour at the rate it will rain. 100 millimeter per hour. If anyone comes under the cloud burst rain, then what will be his condition? Anyway, okay, now I was checking like Bihar gets 1,100 millimeter rain per year, up to 1,300, and Jharkhand get average 1,500 millimeter of rain per year. 1,500 millimeter rain per year. Here 100 millimeter in 1 hour only. Anyway, what is the reason for it? One reason is being given that high speed melting of the glacier in Uttarakhand is causing the cloud burst. There are many cloud bursts. Why we are bringing this discussion is there are many cloud bursts are happening. Many in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Many cloud bursts are in Ladakh. I believe in past 20 to 30 years, 20 to 25 years, not even a single year is passing where there is not incidence of cloud burst we are hearing. Every year, so many cloud bursts are happening. So many people are dying. So many people are dislocated. Okay, so this is cloud burst. One is the precipitation or high speed melting of the glacier because of the weather change. Another is rapid precipitation. So main is rapid precipitation. The vapor is condensing into water very in very high speed manner. It should very slow. Okay, rapid precipitation from the cumulonimbus cloud. Comulon comulum means I believe vertical. Imbus means cloud. Vertical cloud means cloud become vertical. Okay, is possible due to the long Muir precipitation process. Means high speed precipitation process in which large droplets can grow rapidly. Same thing. By coagulating with a smaller droplets which fall down short. Okay, so this is the fundamental scientists are giving, and it becomes like that. This is a natural phenomenon. This is completely unnatural phenomenon. This is what we will prove now. Anyway, now if we talk about that in Dharali village, I believe 2 days, 2 days back it happened, day before yesterday. Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand, that is the altitude ranging from 800 meter to 6,900 meter. I believe Dhaula Giri and this kind of mountain would be there one 6,900 meter. Okay, their average rain every year, average rain is generally seen as 1,289 millimeter per year. In 1969, the maximum rain was seen as 2,436 millimeter per year. But now in last 24 means when this cloud burst happened in that 24-hour time frame, it rained more than 300 millimeter that it rained. That is the data. What is the data for the cloud burst, historical cloud burst? Number one is 1970, 26 September in Guadeloupe. That is a Caribbean island. That is in that is near to West Indies. That is Guadeloupe Island. And there it rained 38 millimeter in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 38 millimeter. Just think. In 1 hour, it rains 1 millimeter in heavy rain. In 1 minute, 38 millimeter. Means how many times? 1,000 times, I don't know. Something like that. It rained. That is the heaviest. In 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 66 millimeter rain in 1916, and that is South Africa. In 15 minutes, 198 millimeter rain in 1916 in Jamaica. May 1916 in Jamaica. That is also, I believe, it is Caribbean island one. In 20 minutes, 2005 millimeter rain in 1947 in Romania, that is in Europe. 42 minutes, 304 millimeter rain in Missouri. In Romania, it rained in July 1947. In Missouri, USA, 304 millimeter, it rained in 42 minutes only. In June 1947, again, in 2 hours, 490 millimeter rained in the Inner Mongolia of the China, near to Mongolia. In 1975 July, in 12 hours, 1144. In 1 year in Jharkhand and Bihar, it rains more than 1000 millimeters. In only complete 12 hours, it rained, and it rained 1144 millimeters in La Réunion, that is a French island near to Madagascar, east of the Madagascar in Africa, that falls in Indian Ocean. 1966 January time frame. In 20, that is, oh, I'm sorry, that happened in 12 hours, not in 24 hours. In 12 hours, 1144 millimeters in the near to Madagascar. Okay, in 24 hours, 1870. In 24 hours, it rained more than it rains in Jharkhand in 1 year. In only 24 hours only. And this incident happened on the same island, French island near to Madagascar, in 1952 May time frame. Okay, so these are the data that is coming on. Now we will come to the actual topic. What is behind the scene? No one knows why it happens. Okay, but we can think about something. Why it happens? Okay, if I take about the Himalayan region, then it starts more or less with the Bihar. So Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and then it goes till Ladakh region. Full is the Greater Himalaya. Okay, it goes till Bihar end. That is the Kanchenjunga. Little bit West Bengal, I believe, but Bihar end more or less Kanchenjunga. So from the Bihar end, I believe that is Kishanganj. From Kishanganj, that is near to Kanchenjunga, the Greater Himalaya goes till the Leh and Ladakh up to the K2 mountain. So that is the Greater Himalaya. All the Greater Himalaya, the cloud burst is seen till Uttarakhand. Beyond Uttarakhand up till Bihar, heavy rain is being seen in the past 20 to 25 years. If I saw the Dharali village now, the Dharali village is completely washed out. If it was common in Uttarakhand, if cloud burst is a natural phenomenon, then it would be common in Uttarakhand. Then nobody will make a building like this, knowing that day or tomorrow the cloud will burst will happen. But there is a full-fledged town in Uttarakhand called Dharali village, and there is a tall building. This proves that people are completely unaware that there can be a cloud burst here also. Means cloud burst is not a natural phenomenon. It is happening nowadays only. People are unaware and they are making buildings, restaurants, and so many things because they know that it has never happened here. Same thing is going on in the North Bihar and North Uttar Pradesh. There it rains a lot. If it is not a cloud burst, but in a short span, it rains a lot. It rains a lot. There is a river like Gandak, Ghagara, Gandak, Budi Gandak, and Kosi kind of river. They are completely flooded every year. Every year, their complete flood in northern part of Bihar is very common. What is your problem? Anyone would ask me, what is your problem? Okay, now it is called that the sea, that is Bay of Bengal. There the vapor comes out of the sea and it forms a vapor cloud and it go and hit the Himalaya. And At the Himalaya, some scientific activity happens and cloud become dense. Then after hitting that Himalaya and when cloud become dense, then cloud starts moving towards south. If I talk about Bihar at least, then it starts go till hit Himalaya, Mount Everest region, and then it comes south toward the Ganga. Then it comes south again to the Nevada district or something like that. Then it comes south again. But in Jharkhand, rain is different. But in Bihar, Gangetic plain, rain does not happen. The cloud that is coming directly from the, not through any cyclone, something like that. Because in Jharkhand, if cyclone comes in the Odisha, then rain happens. But in Bihar, rain happens when cloud comes, hit Himalaya, and it comes back. Return cloud, it gives the rain in the Bihar kind of situation. Now, when the cloud is coming from back from the Himalaya, it should come till the Nevada district. That is the southernmost district in the Bihar. It will cross river Ganga and it will rain till Nevada. But problem is it is not crossing river Ganga. In Patna district or in the Gaya district or in the Nevada district, these kind of district, there is no rain for the last 20 years. People are, there is no rain, it's very less rain. But if you cross Ganga, go to the north toward the Himalaya, more you go near to the Himalaya, there is a drastic rain. Why? This proves that the cloud that is going and hitting Himalaya, and when it is returning, it is raining there only. It is not coming back. It should travel hundreds of kilometers, at least 300 kilometers, I believe. It should travel toward the south, but it is not traveling. It is dropping rain there only. This is what is going on. Okay, if I take the citation from the Gita, where King Krishna is talking in Gita, what is the reason? Arjun is asking why it rains. Why it rains? It rains because you do yajna. Rain comes because people do yajna. Okay, then Krishna talks, he proceeds. What is the meaning of yajna? Yajna means when you work. The work you do, that is called yajna. Yajna is not that you igniting a fire and there you are putting ghee or butter or whatsoever. That is not called yajna. Yajna means you work. That is called yajna. If you do yajna, if you work a lot, then it rains there. This is what Krishna is talking in Gita. If you want rain, then you have to work a lot. Okay, this proves that if you work a lot, it creates a situation where the cloud gets attracted towards it. This proves that the people in southern part of the Ganga, that is the Patna district or Nalanda district or Nevada district, Gaya district, Munger district, people are lazy now. They are not working. If they are working in the agricultural field very honestly, then cloud will come from the Himalaya to that region. It will create some kind of atmospheric pressure or some electromagnetic pressure or something like that. The cloud will get attracted towards there. That attraction is not going on. Okay, and cloud is dropping there only. Same would be happening in the Uttarakhand and this region also because those are Himalaya region and southern part of it is Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and these region people are lazy now. They are not working. Cloud is dropping there only. What are you talking? Anyone would ask me. If there is a cloud, then there is lot of water there. If there is a cloud, then there is a lot of water there. If tons and tons and thousands of tons of water is dropping from the cloud, means cloud is carrying that much water in the form of vapor or whatever, but weight is there. Means cloud is carrying high energy. Cloud is carrying, air is carrying high energy with it. Now, high energy, when cloud is moving, air is the guy that is sustaining the energy. That energy has to be sustained by the air. That energy, if air want to sustain the energy, that energy, the reason in which that air is flowing, that reason has to be energetic. Then only air will carry that much energy. Otherwise, it will lose the energy. Makes sense? Like if I see the transistor in electronic circuit, there are three junctions. Okay, in that junction, the collector base junction, it carries the energy. Why it is holding the energy? Because it is connected to the voltage source directly. That's why connector base junction in NPN transistor, it holds the energy. Okay, what is the concept of holding energy? Holding energy. If someone is giving me 100 kilogram of weight in my hand, and if I'm carrying it, means I'm holding that much energy. If air is carrying the if air is carrying the cloud and then it is moving, air is carrying that much energy with itself. Okay, if air is carrying energy, that the region through which air is crossing, that region should be highly energetic. Then only air will carry. Otherwise, it will drop. Same thing happens. If someone gives me 100 kilograms of weight, that I have never tried carrying it, but my ambience is very powerful. People who are near to me, they are cheering me. Come on, 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 come on. I'm receiving energy through them. If I'm receiving energy through them, then I can carry it. Okay, people are dissuading me. Oh, you cannot do anything. You are so weak. You are junk. This, that. You are saying, then I can drop you immediately. Okay, this is what is happening with the air and cloud also. That reason. That's why Krishna said, if you work, then that reason will be energetic. If it is energetic, then air will carry the cloud and it will disperse the rain in even manner. Now, clouds are bursting when it is going to Himalaya, reaching Himalaya. When it is coming back, that region is not energetic now. People, they have sold their ox and cows. They are not working in agricultural field day and night. They are using some tractor and this and that. People are lazy now. That area become unenergetic. In that fashion, cloud is dropping there one. People have to work. You have to use ox for the agriculture, not the tractor or power tiller. Means this way that reason, energy of that region is dropping day by day, and day by day this kind of unnatural calamity is happening. So in the Gangetic plain, people are lazy now. They are not working, and that's why in Himalayan region, sudden somewhere it is too much rain or somewhere cloud, but all are same thing only. Okay, in that fashion, the region near to Himalaya in Bihar, in Nepal, and those regions, it rains a lot for short duration only. And then water is coming as a flood to the Ganga, where rain should come to the southern part of Ganga and it should rain. There is a drop, there is no water there. And in northern part near to Himalaya, every year the flood comes. Okay, so solution is that people have to work. People cannot be lazy. I believe this is some explanation. So people have to grow in their ox and cow what they are keeping and using for agriculture. That should be the typical way. They have to work. They have to work. If you don't work, if you don't do yajna, then it won't rain. So no places where it used to rain 20-25 years back very nicely, I believe for 30 years, more or less, it is not raining at all. And near the Himalaya, where it should not rain, what cloud goes and comes back, and then it should come back to all region of Gangetic plain. It is raining there only. Means it is not able to carry the energy. It is losing the energy. Okay, is there anything? That's why Krishna talks many things in Gita, and that's why the society falls. Why a society falls? Why there is a problem comes at the end? You catch a disease. Okay, these are the way. Why someone catches disease? Because body is not able to sustain the energy. Body should sustain the energy. That energy sustenance is decreasing and body starts losing the energy and he is catching to disease. Anyway, what is the next? Next is that when the cloud is going to Himalaya, it will not reach Himalaya also. It will rain here and there only. What is next? Next is cloud will not form on the sea level also, because everything is a game of energy only. That Einstein started the fundamental of energy. The water vapor that comes out of the sea, that will not come out at all. That will be another kind of problem. It will start now. At least it is coming up, and vapor is going to Himalaya. It is making a cloud. Then there cloud is not able to travel, and it is falling there only in the name of cloud burst or heavy rain in Nepal or whatsoever. Okay, next is that cloud will not reach Himalaya at all. Next is, okay, what people want now. You you want catastrophe, or you want the way it used to happen. I read the full the what is the cloud burst that happened in that data. what the data I placed, in that data there is no incidence of Uttarakhand or something like that. Means things were very nice in earlier days. Now people are lazy. Everyone wants money, money. I believe it is understandable. Means this is the key concept behind every prosperity, or this is the key thing behind one by prosperity.